Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. Asher Steve here, signing in for another tutorial. Today we will be talking about how we can install this MongoDB, NoSQL we call in other words, or like this MongoDB is used for large data storing, or if there are too many datas. So without much ado, let's begin. So first of all, here, so we'll just first of all we need to download the software called MongoDB. So let's go here and then you just type here Mongo and then community server. So this one you have to download this. Just press enter and then you will see this MongoDB community download. So you just click this one and that will take you to the MongoDB website. You can see here mongodb.com. okay, so you go here and you find that the latest current version is 6.2. that is the latest version, but then we are going with the stable one. So as you go to this community and then you go to the right, you will see that available downloads here, and current version you just click down there, and this 5.0 I am going to download this one 5.0.13 because this is the stable MongoDB for the server. So we will download this. So you just click this download, and then once you click and the download will start, and it will take a few minutes. For me, I have already downloaded, so I don't have to download once again. So for me, I will just close this. I've already downloaded, so let me go to my downloads, and then I have here MongoDB, which is to be installed right now. So to start with, we will start first by installing this. So I've downloaded this one 5.0.13. okay, so let's double click this and then straight away the download starts. So now we will click next and then I will accept the license agreement, continue. And now here there are two steps that you need to observe. That is, one is complete, one is custom. So complete means this will take some time because this will also give you the access at last all those kind of platform for graphical users. But right now I'm going to do custom. So right now I'm clicking the custom and we go to the next, and then all this you keep as a default. So name, all these things, and part where it is to be installed, all this they will show you. So let's keep the default as it is. Then we go click next and the next. Now here right now I'm not going to put the compass, so I will not click this one. Instead I will just untick that, install MongoDB, and then I will go ahead, click next and then click install. So guys, this will take some time, so just kindly bear for some time. So depends on your system speed how fast it can take. So for some it is quite fast, it will take some time, so just wait a little bit there. Yeah, so now at last it is completed. We click finish. Now where do we find this one? So let's go to the my computer, go to C drive, and then under the C drive you will see that program files. Go to this program files, then go for MongoDB here, and inside the server you will see the 5.0. inside that one you will go to this bin. So everything that you find, it is here. So right now what I'm going to do is we will take this part. So when you see, this is the part, okay, so we need this. What happens is that I will just show you. Let me open my this one. So to open from the CMD, put this double quote, and inside the quote you have to copy the part. So right now I'm just copying this part, so let me copy that, and then I have to paste it here. Okay, so paste it here, and after that you have to put here MongoDB, and then we have to put exe, and then let's try to see the version here. So to see the version you have to put here dash and then version, give enter, and that will show you the version. Now you can see the version and all that. Here one thing you can do is every time when we go here and then we go to this and run this Mongo and run, so that will take a lot of time, see, because what happens is that it is in this part. So in order to make it easy, let's put this part, make it easy. So let's copy once again this one, and this time what happens is that we will just right click my computer and then we go to this advanced settings, system settings, we go to the environment variables and we will paste in a part here, part. So go to the edit and go to the new and you just paste it here. Okay, once pasted, so you just click OK, or you want to keep like that. Okay, so now okay, close. Now you open. Now I don't have to put every time this part that I showed you before, but you just have to type MongoDB. Okay, so straight away it will run this code for you. So here right now, if you want to put this Mongo, then see, now I can just type the Mongo and straight away it will enable me to start using my Mongo. So here if you want to see the commands, you can just put here. To start, the commands that you need to put here is first of all, let's see the database. So show DBS, that means database. Okay, so now you can see that there are database. This following have got a database. So if you want to create a database, that you have to click this MongoDB. There is no table or row or column. Okay, but what they do was they used to call this as a collection. Okay, they call collection, and in the collections they used to have documents. So documents is where they store the database in the document form, like orderly. So they don't use rows and column. I repeat, they don't use row and column, but they use documents to store the data. So here now you can start creating the database straight away. So to create the database, how we can create is like right now I'm using this CNET. Okay, so use test. Ours is test. Okay, so now here you have to put here db dot, and you have to put here database name is test. So you have to put here test dot insert one. One means right now we are putting only one row. That's why we're putting the insert one. Okay, so now I'm just giving the bracket. Inside the bracket there should be this double curly braces, and inside this you have to put here. So I'm going to put first name here, and name, you have to put the name in a quote once again. So quote, okay, and then you give comma, and then I'm just going to give as here let's say age, and then age, and then colon, and let's say age like let's say 30. Okay, so comma, and then you want to give here marks. Okay, so colon, marks, let's say 87, column, and then subject, let's say you want to put the subject as well, subject, and subject what you want to put here, you can put here, let's say computer science. Okay, computer science. So quote the quote, and then now, so now we press enter, and now you can see that our database has been created successfully. So now if you want to see this, you can say here db dot test, and what is test dot, then fine. Okay, so now you can see that if I put this one here, db test fine, so now they can find me. See, there is a name, age 30, and then here whatever we have put. So this way you can create the database, and they have stored. So if you think that this is looking messy, what do? You can look in another way. So here test find db, and then you can put here call pretty, okay, and put the bracket and then press enter. So they will give you in another format like this. Instead of this one looking messy, they will give you in a collection format this way. So this is the documents format that they will store for you in this way. So it looks cleaner and better. So guys, you can try out the MongoDB this way. So I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you below, please. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments once again. And please do subscribe, like and share. So thank you, and see you in the next video.